If you're looking for one of the nicest single-story homes available in the hottest community in Temecula, this video is for you. What's going on, guys, and welcome to Somewhere in SoCal. My name is Mike Deblak, and on this channel, I show you guys what it's like to live somewhere in SoCal. As I mentioned a couple seconds ago, we are going to tour one of the nicest single-story homes available in the city of Temecula. Now, this is not a new build. James, the listing agent, was nice enough to invite me out to have me tour this house to show you guys, all right, to get some eyeballs on this house, to show you guys, like I said, one of the most beautiful single-story homes available in the city of Temecula. We're in Sommers Bend, guys. If you're not familiar with Sommers Bend, all right, this is a massive master plan community. So nice, where you got multi-million-dollar houses in this community. All right, a couple weeks ago, I posted a video of brand new homes by Richmond American up the hill, where you got homes, close to $2 million. Shawwood is another really popular, like, viral type of house that's been here, multi-million-dollar houses that are in this neighborhood. So Sommers Bend, you're gonna have a sports park right as you enter. You got resort style amenities where you're gonna have the clubhouse, pool, spa, lots of playgrounds, walking trails, all kinds of stuff where you really don't have to leave your house or your neighborhood, all right, to get the kind of lifestyle that you want. But if you do, we're just minutes away from wine country. So if you like wine country, the wine and the dine and that atmosphere, we are just a couple minutes from there. Less than 15 minutes from the mall in Temecula, Promenade Temecula, with all the stores, the shopping, everything. And if you got kiddos that are going to school, all 3 levels of school are less than 10 minutes from this house. All right, just to tell you guys a little bit about the house here, we've got 4 beds, 3 baths, a little bit over 2,200 square feet, and right now they're asking $959,000 for this house. Anyways, enough yapping for me. Let's go in and check this thing out. All right, guys, so you see this one's just got super nice curb appeal, single story. You're gonna have this nice patio area. James, you're cool, dude. No, you're good, dude. All right, so this nice covered patio, these nice steps that kind of walk up there. And kind of just to show you guys this neighborhood here. You see all these really nice 2-story houses here as well. You kind of elevate a little bit, good hills or views of the hills off in the distance. Super nice, peaceful community. Walk further on up here. This is probably my favorite part of this house, and a lot of the houses in this neighborhood have this little porch, this covered porch out here, which is really, we'll get in there in a second, but it's really off of this bedroom / office right there. We'll get in there, but just sitting out here on these rocking chairs, smoking a cigar, drinking some wine, whatever, whatever you do to get going to relax. All right, just a super nice chill vibe out here. Just walk here. And one thing I really like about this neighborhood too is you got your little like Amazon package door here. So your Amazon man can leave your packages there. So porch pirates are not a thing. And just walk on into this thing. So you got the nice flooring throughout. Nice hallway there going straight out to the back. But first we'll turn to the right. All right, got lots over here. So we've got bathroom number 1. All right, you got the 2 here. The 2 sinks here, the privacy door for the bathroom. So if you got kiddos, right, multiple kiddos, you can have them brush their teeth, wash their face, do their hair, whatever in the morning. Someone else can go to the bathroom, taking a shower, bath, whatever. All right, I know that helps me at my house in the mornings with school-age kids. All right, across from that, we're gonna have our laundry room. All right, so you got the washer dryer hookups here. Nice cabinet and kind of folding counter there. Look at this cool little rack thing here on the top. Here we're gonna have a coat closet. Then over here we got our 2 bedrooms towards the front of the house. All right, so we'll go bedroom number 1 right here. See, this is like a sign here because my son's name is Jet too, so I'm filming this Jet's room. Anyway, so a nice big secondary bedroom here. Obviously they got it set up for their little guy, it looks like. And then you got the big closet doors there. One thing I want to point out is just how tall the ceilings are here. Nice fan up there too, but really high ceilings. And the same things with these closet doors, much higher than like the normal ones that you see that I post. All right, and then the closets go further on down behind like what this wall looks like there. So you get a little bit more space than you would think just looking from the outside. Anyways, all right, then we get over here, and then right now this is basically bedroom 4, but it's really set up as an office. I think I remember touring the model home and this was an office. Really cool though, because this is the door to that front porch area, right? So this could be a bedroom, or it could be like a home office type area, just depending on how many bedrooms you need. But once again, just a massive space here. The TV up in the corner. Lots of natural light with the, the glass on the door there and the windows. Just a really nice feel to this. And we'll walk further on down this big hallway here. All right, before we get to the good stuff, we'll turn left. All right, we've got another bathroom here. So we got, there you get the one sink. Let me turn the light on for you guys. All right, the sliding shower door there. You got the little bench in the shower. Then you got a medicine cabinet right here. The 3 drawers, the cabinet, all that stuff. Then you got this nice little landing area, the cabinets down below. And then we got bedroom number 3, basically. Once again, a really good sized secondary bedroom. Really tall window right there too. Pretty good size here. That's a nice, when my daughter was young, we used to, I think she probably had that same exact playhouse. Santa Claus spent hours building that one year on Christmas Eve. Anyways, and then over here you're gonna have, and I'll close it for you for a second, but you got the like a walk-in, pop-in closet on this one. Just get them here, and this thing is huge for being a secondary bedroom. Right? It's nice to be hidden there. Like it has the same effect as those sliding doors, but you don't have the sliding doors. You got the door that you can walk into here. So I'm a huge fan of that, and lots of space on the floor here for all your stuffies and unicorns and horses and stuff like that. All right, and we'll go on to the good stuff. Walking over here to the great room. Give you guys a little peep of this whole deal. So kind of just give you guys a pan, and I'll show you everything. The nice sliding doors out there. All right, but over here we got the kitchen. Humongous island. They got 4 seats here. That's probably what it's good for. But if you really wanted to squeeze, you probably could. It wouldn't be super comfortable, but really good sized island. Nice sink as well. And from this side, I'll just kind of show you the living room area. So I love these built-ins on the side of the TV here. You got that fireplace as well. Just a super cozy feel to this house. Very open concept right here. All right, I'll turn and show you guys the fridge. That's where the coffee station would go if it was me. You got microwave, you got your oven, lots of drawers and cabinets. Oops, you got the little kitty thing. This thing's beating me. I want to show you guys the pantry. There we go. I got a different one in my house. Come on, Mike. There we go. All right, so you got a pretty good sized pantry here. All the snacks for the kiddos. All right, lots of cabinet space. And then you got the hood up top. Show you all you chefs out there what we're working with. And then I also love the extended backsplash there and the underlighting and everything. Just really nice touch to the kitchen here. Super, I could just see myself entertaining here on the island. You got people down in the living room, sitting at the island. And over here we got our dining area. So I really like that this could be like a good entertainer's house, or you guys have family over for the holidays. Everyone's really kind of all in the same spot. You get this kind of designated dining area off to the side here. You still got lots of windows and things like that. I'll check out the backyard before we go to the master. So out the double sliding doors here, you get this nice covered patio area in the back. And boom. All right, unlike new builds, you got the backyard already done. So they've dumped thousands and thousands of dollars into this. Got these nice steps wrapping around there. Turf, vinyl fence around the whole backyard. And then we got the playground. I don't think the playground's included. All right, but you can make an offer on that if you got some kiddos coming with you. All right, and then I really like the way they got this set up with the dog run here. So they got the, they put the gate up and then boom, dog run on the side of the house. Let them do their business over here. Nice amount of space on the side. And I'm also loving the string lights in the back here. Just a really cool vibe to this backyard. Walk around over here, and then you got your little piece of cement over here. And then I know it's kind of just an extra thing, but I like kind of this hill the way it is. Sometimes when I do a lot of these new build things, this is basically just all dirt and it kind of looks ugly. But this is kind of, as it matures, it can look into something like this. So this is kind of the side where the put your trash cans at the gate there, and you got the service door to the garage. And we'll come on back in here, and we'll check out that master bedroom. All right, so master is kind of private off the back here, off the main living area, and this is a pretty good sized master bedroom here. Got that nice big window looking out to the backyard. Kind of just pop in the corner here. Give you guys a feel for this. Really nice feel to this. And then you've got the master bathroom right here. You get the his and her sinks. So much space with the cabinets, the drawers, all the stuff down here. All right, I like the dark fixtures as well. Really nice mirror, and then the light up there, light fixtures up top, super nice. You got your medicine cabinet over there, and then to me, this is the showstopper of the house. I love this walk-in shower, oversized. This is the rainfall shower up top. You got that there, nice bench over there. This is super impressive. I love it. I love that feel there. Then you come back here, you got more cabinets and space here, like linen closet type stuff or cabinets. And then we got the throne area. All right, kind of off to the back here. But yeah, this right here, this does it for me, that oversized shower. And then over here, we're gonna have our walk-in closet. I got the brains of the house in that little thing. All right, but plenty of space in here. You got, I mean, guys, this is super long to get all the way down here. Lots of space to hang. All right, this guy's a Mets fan. I'm a Braves fan, so boo the homeowners. We like the, even though I'm wearing a Padre hat today, all right, we like the Mets. I'm sorry, we don't like the Mets. We like the Braves. That's my team. So boo to the Mets, but come by his house. Anyways, all right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up right here. All right, so we had 4 beds, 3 bathrooms, got solar on the roof, one of the top communities in the city of Temecula, resort style amenities. You got the pool, the clubhouse, the spa, sports park, super close to wine country, $959,000. So if you like this house, all right, make sure you go ahead and reach out. My phone number is on the screen right now, whether you want to schedule to see it today, tomorrow, anytime soon, or if you want to see some other houses, reach out. I'd love to connect with you guys and kind of put that plan together to help you find your somewhere in SoCal, whether it's this house or somewhere else. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. YouTube's gonna put a video over this shoulder. If you liked this video, you'll probably like that one, and I'll see you in there.